Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, guys. How are you? All right? Everybody all right? Hope you're good, doing well. We got 3 minutes left. Lots of things happen. So, we've been watching them, the market. It's going to be a dangerous day today. That's what I can say. So, Nvidia earning was positive. That's why these things jumped up, is near here. What I'm expecting? I don't know. I have to see, what is the RTH gap. Look like a big RTH gap. I'm expecting initially a little bit of kind of lower kind of run. Is right now trading here. So, I mean, hopefully. I don't know what's gonna happen, but this market is crazy. So they went high to a level. Sorry for that. With this line. This is the daily order block. So they tested it. So tested it in the morning in London session, and then after that they now retracing down. So if the market has to be bearish, I don't want them to go up over there. But these are not previous day high. Sorry, I don't have time. I'm just have to trade. So today I'm gonna be a little bit not talking too much. So already they're giving us a retracement. So I'm just gonna check where they can come. Only one thing I didn't like it that they didn't test at 8:30, so that means they can come back. So I mean, I have to be cautious. So I'm just gonna observe, okay? Like patiently observe. Let's see where they are. We got only 20 seconds left. Initial lower price to this area, maybe, hopefully, if they can come around this area. Otherwise, I don't know how they're gonna go up from here. They can do anything, okay? So I'm just targeting this area. There's a new day opening gap, midpoint of the new day opening gap. That's it. Don't go away now. They came up. Okay, perfect. Let's see if they can give us a selling opportunity. I'm not buying at this minute. If they go high, they can go high. And yeah, so that means they're going high. I'm not doing nothing now. I have to think about only the retrace back because big RTH gap. So if they go up like that and they take out the high, this high, then I don't know what to say. Then there is a previous, I think this is Friday's high. Because I don't have a thesis. I can do anything. So now they tested 8:30, okay? So now look how big it became. So no, not anymore. It's fine, let them be. They'll give us a chance because I'm gonna trade on a smaller area. Look, now they left this area as a equal low. So this is my chance as well. I mean, it didn't go anywhere. It's just here. Let's see if they can come here, this area. Because today could be very, very volatile. So now they inverted this gap. If they close under 9:30 as well, I'll try to sell it as well. I have to check it today. I'm very, very cautious today because I have to trade little bit size. So now they're coming down, okay? So this is the things. So yeah, so then now at least they're following what I wanted them to do. Little bit down, buddy. Don't go here. I took this trade, but I should come out right now, okay? So at least with something, but I have to check it because this is the area they can do something as well. So they did their move, okay? So they already reached their area, and then I don't know from there what they can do. So I came out and I'm observing with another one, okay? Just to see. Sorry for that. I already showed you this gap. They already did it and they taken out this low, okay? So if they have to go down, they should go down more, because if this candle they rebound from here, means there will be bullish sign. I'm already break even if they don't go down from here. I don't know. So midpoint is here. Sorry for that. My chart is everywhere. So now this gap, will they hold it? That's the question. Okay. So they now, if they invert this one and they go up, that means from here, it can be like a crazy bullish as well. So this gap, if they invert now, I don't know if they're going to do it. If they want to go down to rebalance, so I don't know. But they now completed the move, let's say here downside. So now question is that will they continue? My entry was from there, okay? This area. So let me put it, this one looked like the inverting, but this inversion is, the inverted already that side is also. It's still now selling pressure could be there. Because they need to go down for a while. Still holding one. So now I want to see that how they react from this midpoint, okay? Midpoint of today. So this candle, next few candles could be big. Hopefully. Yes, one candle done. Yeah, 55. Come down. I've got like more than 60 points. I got it. So if they take out this low, it will be interesting. You get me? Like, I might take my profit here, right now with 60 points. Okay, I'm out. Because this one will go down further, but I don't want to use midpoint is reach. Okay, today's midpoint. Then if I get further evidence, I will check it. Look at this run. I hope you understand. I should have traded big today. I mean, I had the idea that given the test of 830, but I didn't like how they came. But this, do you understand the level? This level, daily level, is so important, man. Look, now they came here. It's very possible that they can come down here. And then, where is the actual, like, before the RTH gap will be? Where? This one. This is the RTH gap closing price. Okay, so this is the one. So now from here, can they retrace back? I mean, they can do anything, but do I expect them? Not really. If there is any selling opportunity, I should try it. But if from there, if they become a bullish candle, they can do anything. Okay, so I'm not gonna be upset about it. How the 1 hour doing? Let me see, because today I have to check. Because yesterday, from today, business started. Okay, so you remember these things. This one, can it be like this is another selling opportunity? Let's say if we would take that sell, let's say, where would be my stop loss? That's the question, So you have to be very, very small, like let's say like this kind of 8-9 points, and you have to target, let's say, new week opening gap. That's the only thing, because if they stop me out, I should go a little bit up, at least 15-16 points, let's say. If they stop me out, I've got to stop out. This one can be stop out. Then they can do it again. We can again enter. But if they stop us out, it's fine. Nothing to do, Because why they can stop us out? Because look, they don't have power in the 15 minutes going down. They should have just gone down already. This one can stop me out, then later on they can fall. Yeah, so now let's say they're going down. If they close here, I will definitely be, break even. Just targeting new week opening gap. That's it. Sorry for that. Just targeting new week opening gap, nothing else. If they can come, because the midpoint can stop them as well. Look, they're not moving now. This is the problem of this market now. proper, if they stop like that, like they go there, then there are more chances of going up because the news are so big. But I hope they go down. Close it, man. Close down, buddy. Need a big candle, man. It didn't do it, so that means it's problematic price. So when they're like this, so then it's better to like take your money and run. Institutional, look how much struggling. But when the run will start, they'll be fast. So another 6 minutes left for this candle to close. If they could close this one as a bearish candle in 15 minutes, that would be the best things to do. So they're creating issues here. Okay, so that means they want to go up maybe for a while. I don't know. But this one doesn't need to take out this high. Yeah? So this can be the run. Creating problem, not going down because they may be waiting for the next candle. So another 5 minutes left, 40 now. Yeah, so this is, why this is the last area they actually traded. But I'm thinking like they could go down, but if they go down, it can go down big times. They're struggling from the midpoint. Even here, how many points it was? I mean, it's just gonna stop us out, then you'll see that. So they created a what is it called? They're creating, now they're going up. So we got to stop out, isn't it? So this is, so better was like run, because when they created this kind of problematic price action, there was no point of staying with them anymore. That's where is the problem. This can be proper bullish. So that means they're holding still now. Okay, they didn't give up. So wasn't it better? It was, I took the profit here and then ran. You get me? Now what they're creating? They're creating, they inverted this area. They're creating gaps here. What you can expect from this now? They did it. This one can be a bullish candle, but how it will be? That far came and then it will be bullish. I mean, do you understand? It will be then big bullish. Absolutely bullish. Ultimate bullish. So now they've taken out this high. They tested 930, and then now what? They already tested 830 as well. So there's some saying it's like not good anymore. Do you understand? So this is the problem. So now they can be proper bullish as well. Very now they tested this inversion. So they came down to trade this one, and then they gone high, tested this inversion. So now what? You want to keep your initial selling idea, or you want to do anything? If they have to go, they have to go down now. So now they created gap. Will they respect this gap? This gap, two gaps they created. So that's why you have to take a decision right now. Will they go through or will they? So they inverted the first one, the second one they got support right now. Yeah, go through, buddy. If you can, if you have to be bearish, you have to go through. Otherwise, they can get support from here and they can be bullish as well. So better, like take decision. Look, this one they got support. Now they're creating bullishness. What am I expecting? Yesterday I recorded, it didn't record yesterday. I don't know why. My trade was nice trade. I couldn't show you guys. So it's still indecision, okay? We got 2 minutes left. They're coming back from the midpoint of today's price. That's what we need to think. See, now they came back and waiting for something to happen. So if they can close under, there is a chance as well. This one gone high here, but didn't take out the liquidity. That is the only concern. Look at this high. They didn't take out. If they came here and then they're falling, that fall could be trustworthy. Do you get me? So this is another things we have to check. Both sides, now they close on the top of 930. Oh Lord, good job. Somebody did something, man. Sell it, man. So now they're creating double bottom top here. Hope they go through this one. I bought 2 with them. I don't know if I'm gonna stay there or not. Look, they came here, they didn't take out the high, but I had quite a lot of profit here, but I couldn't take it out. I don't know. Let's see. Let's hold it. Let's see. Yeah, I trade short term, buddy. I'm sorry for that, but I cannot show you these kind of things. Now I'm holding 2 of them. Okay. Let's see what we can find at least, something if they can give me on the top here. This one, oh Lord, this spiking, man, today. So now they've taken out the high. I taken out 1 over there, okay? And 1 is break even. If they take me out, I'm just gonna be happy with that. Okay, now this one closed over there. Now they've taken out all these highs. They traded this one opening price. Question is that will they retrace, and then I'm out already, okay? I got out already. I didn't trust it. But now they'll create gap. Can I trust this gap? That's the question. So they've taken out this high. They traded this area. Yeah, looks like it's absolutely bullish right now. Let them go. So yeah, good job. It's fine now. Nice. But the things I'm trying to say, look, I by trading this side, that side, look how much I made it already. I can show you if you want to see it. You know my account number, everything. Look, 650 by trading only this side, that side. I'm saying it's not not a good practice, but if you are you know what you're doing, fast initially you have to come out. That's the things. So let's say already I made 650 with this side, that side trading. I sold it from there. I came out here. Then I bought it from this area and I came out here. So that's it, done. With micros. Didn't even trade it. 3 micro like that. I'm doing it. So now this one closed down over there. What am I expecting? I have to check. I have to look for further evidence. That's what I'm saying. Now next 14 minutes is so important. The 1 hour is trying to get support from this area and going higher. So if this one closed there, what's gonna happen. There will be big run. But remember, my initial thought was I don't want them to go up anymore because this is my last barrier. They already traded it. But if they go up, I cannot do nothing, okay? So now they again trying to look at this. You see, if I didn't come out here, what could happen? Look at the things happening right now. So that's what I'm saying, buddy. Watch out. This can be trap. You understand? That's what I'm saying. It can be trap. So now they came here. Can they go through it? That's the question. So they traded this low. If they go through it, means it will be interesting. I have to see 15 minutes right now. Yeah, so this candle they already made bullish. Now can this candle be a bearish one? So they couldn't close under. Okay, so that's a like a, not a good sign, but we can I think this is a selling opportunity, looks like to me. So now the question is, can they hold this on, or will they bounce it from there? That's the question. They're doing both side. They're smashing this side, that side, this side, that side, this side, that side. Which side gonna win? If this candle can go through now, it will be an interesting price right now, because they've taken out the previous 15 minutes high. Now needed just bearishness. I need a bearishness, a gap, everything together. And the trading just on the top of today's opening price. So now again, will they give you there? Maybe not. If they come here, am I trading? I better sell it from here, isn't it? So now see if they can run. I just took a shot with a very little one. Okay, I didn't go big this time because didn't have confidence. Look here, I sold it from there. So where could be my stop loss? Just on the top of this. Let's say here stop. I can now readjust it because they already did it. I don't want them to come back. Okay, so that's it, done. I don't need to come back. I put it there. If I'll take a loss, but better you put it there, because they might do a little bit of trickiness here because it's the last area. Anyways, let's see what they do. They didn't take out this low. At least some sort of a low they should have taken. You see, so they still waiting. So they're coming to stop us out maybe. Such a tricky price action, isn't it? So that's why it's better to come out, Look, now if I put my stop loss there, I would have come out. So now even wherever I put it, maybe I'll be done. But it was a trade. I mean, I have to take it, isn't it? I have to take some risk. But this can be again bullish. 40, where are they going? Only sell will be possible if they can close back again down there. So I'm in loss now. See, I didn't take the profit here. That's why I'm like very much favor of taking profit all the time. Now this one can be absolutely, they came down. This one can be one of the bullish candle of the year. So didn't take out any low. So now they just going higher. Only you can just hope that they will not. This one became now like, they can just absolutely go bonker now, because they're trapping people this side, that side. So which side gonna win, we don't know. Okay, so that's the things. Do you want to give up your profit, whatever you made? So they taken out this high and then they came here. They don't need to. Why they came here? Because they have some other plan to do in the top. Okay. So I think I'm gonna be out very soon. Stop loss is on the top of this area. 830 test. So if they can go down now, they have to go down quickly now. Otherwise, they can get support from this gap. So if they get support from there, is not a good sign. So that's something 50-50 everything. Looks like they're getting support, right? Yeah, they got support. So I came out. Okay, I like early came out. Even though they fall now, I don't have anything to do because I put my stop loss there and then they traded this gap. Now they will fall. You see. But now my sell would be from this area under, okay, if they can do it. Because this one easily can make this 15 minutes gap, candle bullish. So I lost some, what I made it. So now they came here, still didn't break it. So if they can still do something from here, I don't know. This is not good price action, okay? Because they're trapping people this side. And now if they go bullish up, but bullishness, I don't have any plan for that. So I'm gonna see if I can sell it. That's the only things I can see. I'm gonna only look for sell, not buy anymore. So if any area I find them like, interesting, I'm gonna sell them. And I'm gonna put my stop loss, and then if I got to stop out here, I don't care. But I had a very good, if I came out, I was trying to show you that time it fell, bang, bang. I could have just come out, Now the question is that can this candle be like a, terrible candle, or they're gonna go higher? Looks like they're supporting, isn't it? Yeah, they're getting support from there. This gap will be crucial, but if once they go through it, it will be a bullish, proper bullishness. So now how 4 hours will be closing like this. So then, I don't know. I was thinking like if they are bearish, they would have closed down this 4 hours. So we got only 6 minutes left. Is it possible? You tell me. Is it possible? Still holding, still holding. Is it possible? That's what I'm trying to say. Is it possible? Or they're gonna give us a trap? If they have to do it, they have to do it now. There is no time right now, I'm telling you. They're getting support from there. 930 price, they have to give up. So now if they get support from here, let's say, so then they got only 5 minutes left to give up. Can they give up? That's the question. This time 100% break even. No chance of not. Look, this time I'm again, I sold it. If I get out, I'm out, like, what is it? 30 points already I had it. Now they again coming back to stop me out. Come on, man. Don't do this because of this new day opening gap, I'm gonna have to take money out. They're just, telling me, don't sell. But, like, this is I think, not a good sign. They didn't go out. They should have just gone through. They got 4 minutes left. How are they gonna create this 4 hours? They're gonna leave it like that? From this area, they closed it. Come on, you wanna give up or not? Or just come out. I just took the money and then I'm waiting again, okay? Because I think they need to leave this area. They might leave, but I will not be part of it anymore, because I don't like it when they wait too long. I sold it from there. They should have gone with the first candle, second candle, but they can go now. When they go, then I miss it as well sometimes, yeah? So now they're creating again gap. What do you look at this run now? Gonna start, man, because they left this area such a nice way, Okay, now another 4 minutes left. Let's see. Any selling opportunity, we sell. I'm in again, but I want to see them this time. They don't stop. I have to be out quickly. They now taken out this low. They can again bounce back. Okay, so that's why I have to be cautious. Take money out. Hey, this time, nice one. Good job, man. Loved it. In future, if I'm live trading, I'll show you trades. Like you'll see like all kind of crazy trade. Here, there. But the initial idea was to go down is right, isn't it? Only things I got trapped is here. This one came but never crossed this line. So I should have trusted it. Now the run, you'll see. What is doing? Look at the 4 hour. Remember we said it, we got 5 minutes left. Look, 5 minutes, within 5 minutes, bang, 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 bang. People, try to understand, use logic, man. Why it is falling? Because I said it, look, remember in the beginning we said they reached to a dangerous level, man. This blue line level. In the morning they reached it there, they couldn't touch it. In the London session they reached it. They need to give a retracement, man, to somewhere like this gap maybe, or today's opening price. Now I'm not selling. Look, I was there, I came out here. Think about what opportunity I had to at least came out this low would be better. Now I'm checking what they do. Let me go to my 15 minutes because 4 hours already given me a nice thing. So now if this one closed like this, can they go back from here? And they can do anything. Look at this candle was there, and then they, so still now this one they're holding. I want them to close down here. Then the next retracement I could have sell it. I've got 1 minute left. Can you do that? Shall I sell it from there? You tell me. I'm with you guys today. So 1 minute left. Let's see how they close down. Okay. If they close down on the too much on the top, I'm not interested. Not interested at all. They're just going this side to that side. Okay. That's what they're doing. So this one is not an order block to me because why I don't believe it's an order block, because they didn't take out any liquidity. They traded a gap, but look, this one can easily again go back. So that's why I'm saying, like, this 1 minute candle can be even big and do anything. So I mean, I'm trading this side, that side, I mean, it's very risky. But this candle, if they close like this, is not good. So the next 10 o'clock candle, what? They're gonna fall, you think? 10 a.m. sorry. Yeah, so that means the 4 hours can how they close. Let me see 4 hours. 4 hour close like that. It's like ugly, isn't it? So now they came up. Where is my phone? Let me stop it. This is my signal of 4 hours closing. 4 hour closing is not nice, but this one they can go down and trade this area. Then maybe they can think about it. But this one telling me that they don't have that much bearishness. So we have to just go through this phase. That's what I'm thinking. So now they're coming back again to test again 930. Come on, man, don't trap us. Shall I sell some from here? I don't know. Every time putting it, like, you have to have a little bit of stop loss, like where your last area is. Look at this. They basically range trading. Okay, they're doing this side, that side, this side, that side, this side, that side. So now they're coming back again to 930. Do you like it? This kind of price action. They came to the low of the new day opening gap, and they again going high. So it is what it is. Okay. So now I feel like sell it from here, but I don't know. They know that everybody's selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, everybody. So 930 test back again. Okay. So 930 test back again. So 4 hours from here going bullish, I don't accept it. If they go, I don't mind, but I want them to give a retracement to somewhere here to the new week opening gap, and then they can do anything. I would like it. But 4 hours, if they go now, become a bullish candle, is a stupid way it will be trading. Sorry for my language, but I would prefer them to go down. That's what I'm saying. But these ones told me that they don't have that much bearishness. Okay. So now I have to find a suitable area to sell. That's what I have to see. So where is the suitable area I can see? 1 hour, what they did. Look at this. 1 hour saying they can just go from here. So I mean, like, everything possible. Okay. Yeah. So this high 930 test, I hope they hold it somehow. and go through all these things, but I don't know if they how they came. Look, bang, 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 bang. They can just go through it. 1 hour can do that. Not happy with the price action, how they're doing. Look at this 15 minutes, how ugly it will be. Closed, and this one will be a bullish candle. Oh my goodness, man. How ugly they are. So 9:30 test. This candle, they traded. 9:30 open was here. Where is the... Yeah, so this one, what are you doing here, man? Just go down. If you don't go down, go up then. Which side you gonna trap people? Let's see. I don't have time. I've got doctor appointment today, man. These people, man, so ugly. Yeah. They are not good people, man. They came here, traded this one, bullish bang. Bullish bang candle. Ridiculous price, isn't it? So that's it. This, if they cannot go down from here, means they just, trap people. Look at this candle structure. I mean, like, ugly means like, I don't know what to say about these things. Ugliness, there are some, what is it? Ugliness got some limit. These are ugly square. But they're getting support from here every time. There's the interesting bid. You get me? And then they look at this. I mean, come on. You should not create any gap. Just give up. If you need to go down, give up, please. Can you? Can you, buddy? Can you? They didn't. So 4 minutes past 10. So now, if they don't close under let's say 9:30, then bearishness gone. Come on. So now again they're trying to get the top. So yeah, I'm telling you, it's like so ugly. 15 minutes candle. Did you see? If this one go a bullish candle, I don't know how it will be. Like that candle, this candle, this candle. Now this side they're going back again. I mean, unbelievable. How they're trading. Some of the weird trading chart you'll see now, because everybody involved, they know about it. They're trapping this side, that side. I mean, after that long, the people waited. Now they're doing things, and then now they're trapping people like here, there, everywhere. No movement at all. As soon as you'll give up your selling opportunity, like what is it called, thesis, then you'll see the run. You'll come out from your selling thesis, then they will start selling. As soon as that's what they're doing. Logic is not working anymore. Seriously, man. Logic is not working, man. I'm mesmerized by their ugliness. So ugly, so ugly. Ugliness got some limit, man. Look at this. Ugliness got some limit. Not like that, man. You closed it, don't go up anymore. That's it. Just give us something. They closed here. I mean, they should not go up anymore, but they're going up. That is the problem. If they had to go down, they should have just gone through. But the problem is that there is the new day opening gap, So now this one can easily bang go up. This one came down. They shouldn't have come down anymore. Sorry, go up anymore. But they're doing it. So that means I don't know, man. Just checking, because there is nothing to trade here. You can buy, sell like me, make this side a little bit and then given up this side, that side a little bit. That's how you can trade. But achievement will be nothing. Until they given up one side, then there is nothing to trade here. But my thesis is to go down if they have to create a beautiful chart. That is my logic. If they don't do it, what can I do? I cannot fight with them, isn't it? They're big people. They can hold the market. I can't. I can see money, take money. That's what I can do. I can only see them. They're doing things. Look at it. They've gone down and then they came here and then they're reversing back. So, I mean, I'm just frustrated. As soon as I'll get frustrated, they will just give the run towards my target. You'll see. Look, they're not giving up, not giving up, not giving up. Again, hold it. So close down again under 930 and they didn't give up. Ugly, 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 ugly. So what you should do? Now, do you think that they'll take out some kind of things from the top and then they will do something? Better not to get involved at all, maybe for the time being. One of the things is so ugly. I cannot stand with ugliness, man. But this one said it looks. This candle, and after that, this candle, I mean, bullish, doesn't make sense to me. They came up to there. This is ugly already. I mean, now if they fall, I mean, I'll accept it. But I mean, like, seriously, or if this wait here, the next candle go up, acceptable. No logic working now. Is all, look at this. Now they're doing up side. So, okay, fine. I've got 4 minutes left. Let's see. I better skip my money. I given up like from there, like $90 from the 650 high. So, I mean, that is a bad shame. Because of their this side, that side, this side, that side, they didn't actually give me anything. So I lost like $95 from my 650 today. So now I'm waiting for further evidence. But this one, how they're going, could be, this one could be closing like that, and then I don't know why they're going up. From the daily, it doesn't make, look, it will be like this. So then they will take out this one, they'll go there, you think. Only thing I didn't like, they bounce back from a good area, but only thing I didn't like about this bounce back, I was thinking about a little bit more retracement. Why? Because of ES. Look at the ES. ES can go higher from here, but everything is good, yeah. But the things that they didn't test it, I mean, they tested this area, this high is enough to take it higher. Yeah, so this high, I would have preferred them to bounce back from here if they were like bullish. So that's what I was just waiting. It's alright. If they're bullish, I can buy it as well, but I have to wait for a further, like, I have to see, like, look how they can be bullish as well. They already closed down on the top of that. They traded a significant area. This can be order block, but not a nice one, but ugly one. Is who cares? Anything possible. But now they've taken out this high, okay? How they can make it beautiful? Only if this hourly candle silver bullet trade works. That's the only way they can make it beautiful. No other way this chart can be beautiful anymore. Do you understand? Only this way they can be beautiful to me. But it doesn't mean that, I'm going to buy from the top and sell from the down, Now they're coming this one. Will they, or they're not going to do nothing? They need to go through this price like crazy if they have to do something. How they going? Are they doing it? This one, look, how they're going is not the way to go. They need to go bang like that. 1, 2. Do a bang, man. You can do that if you want to do that. How you made it, everything, looks like you're going to do that. But who knows what is their plan. So now 830 tested again and not going to take out this high doesn't looks good to me. Look at me. If you have something, take out in the rejection block. Alert, everything gone. Yeah, look at this way they're moving. So now I'm observing this price. This one looks like now to me like, creating higher price. I don't know, didn't like from the 15 minutes, but who am I to tell them? Look at this. I never want to see things like that, let's say. But I should have see the sign, like when they're holding these gaps. So that was the sign. So now they're coming down to where this they're gonna test this gap. 830 test again, they're coming down here. Will you buy it? That's the question. Can you buy it? This one traded already, eh? This one already traded. Now this candle, if they close on the top, let's see if they can do it. But this one should be a buy if we had to buy it. Yeah, I think they're gone. They're gone from us. This candle, they will go boom. Shooting star. Look, the problem is that, this candle as well didn't give us a convincing, but this one can do it, yeah. But it's like very, very problematic price action. I don't like it like this. I like smooth run, but nowadays you cannot find any smooth run. So they now closed it. This one became a order block kind of whatever it is, So now the question is that can they just jump from here, bang like that? But I don't like it like this, When they hover around 830 like this, I don't like it. So I wait for further evidence. So they taken out this low. They came, this one, this high, they taken out this low. So what is became this one? This is a breaker. So they're now getting support from this breaker. Will they hold it? That's the question. This side, this one traded already. This one, they didn't trade it that side. So four hours candle, look at this. They're hugging each other, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bang. From here is going high. Good luck. Good luck with this price action. Yeah, man. What a market it became, man. Now they can go high, low, I don't know. This one looked like going higher to me now because, but look at the weighting, how much pain they will give you, and then if they fall from here, how ugly it will be. I mean, like, I'm sorry, but like this is not the market. Like it didn't work like that. If you're a new trader, you are you'll be you are seeing some of the difficult price. Look at the overnight runs. Like look at this. Whole night they moved. Yeah, bang this side, that side, and then now they stuck in this area. And now they broke out from 8:30. But not convincingly. But when the run will start, we should follow that run. One run is there, but I don't have time. I have to wait. And then as soon as they give it, just take it. Ugly 4 hours. 4 hours slowly grinding high. But from here to even retrace back as well, how do you believe that? Or you believe that, this one came here, so they will take this high. Absolutely no idea. Only things here I can think of is just this little gap here. Can you see there is a 4-hour gap? This is the only gap. Let's put a different color. What color I can put? I don't know even, man. Put something like higher time frame, blue colorish. So let's a little bit deeper, let's say, so that we know this is a 4 hours. Let's say 50% put it. So this is the only area, and they are struggling there. Can you see? If they're struggling here with this one area, if they break that area and close on the top of that, but when they will close it? 2 o'clock. So do I have to wait until that time? Or you're gonna take a trade from the closing on the top? Or you're gonna take a trade from like a thinking about they will go up? Thinking about going up is gonna be stupid, but only thing you can say that they're gyrating here, the 830 price. Hope they hold the 830 price. They already traded this gap, so this low you can maybe believe, but as they're waiting, you can wait for another retrace back and then maybe do it, but they will not maybe give us a chance. That's the question. So that's why this waiting is. So now lots of people will get FOMO and try to get a trade from here. That is the problem of the trading. Then maybe they will give a retracement and you will lose this 50-60 points. So now what are you gonna do? Better to wait for them to break this area. Still now it will not be 100% convincing. You understand? Look at this, what they're doing. So now they closed on the top of that 4 hours. But how they traded this 4-hour candle, this is became like a proper ugly. I don't like it anymore. But this 1 hour is showing promise. This candle, if they have to be bullish, they will take out all these things in this candle. We got only 40 minutes left. So I'm just waiting. I don't have nothing else to do. I'm waiting for a retracement. If I have to buy, I have to wait for a retracement somewhere, and then from there, if they show bullishness, then maybe I can do it. From here, I don't want to get involved because then I can get this retracement, lower. So if they now retrace back here, then maybe. But if they close like that, bang like this and go away, I'm not interested anymore. The area of struggle should be red. Why I put blue? I don't know. Area of silence. Area of silence. Enjoying it? Enjoyment. My mind is now telling me to recover that, that $95 I lost it. But the problem is, this is another problem as well. You should not think like that. I've got around 600. I should just say thank you and just run away for today at least. because I've got something else to do a little bit later. I have to go to appointments. But this is genuine consolidation. You can already understand, no, from 1 hour. But this 1 hour is promising, because next we got, like, let's say if I go to half an hour, I never check half an hour. Okay, so they came here, traded this gap, and now they're trying to close on the top of 830 everything. Okay, so then what gonna happen is this will be a order block. So yeah, there's very nice chance of buying it, but I need a retracement to buy. I don't like to buy from like that. This is already done, retracement, but why they waiting then? These are not clear price. Let's say this candle, I mean, it's made a structure to go up, truly speaking. Then I told you that my original thesis will not be nice, because my daily, from the daily, I didn't thought they will come up and take out this highs and these highs and go to this area. They can easily go to this area, and then they will fall. Then this is bearish to me. Then I'm not into this idea yet, so I'm gonna be, again, I'll think about it in future. But we trade like short term. I trade 15 minutes gap to 15 minutes gaps, and then 1 hour, maybe 1 minute, maybe 2-3 candles I trade. Who cares where they're going, isn't it? You always find trades. So now they're retracing. Okay, it will be interesting now if they retrace right now. I will only trade if I want to buy it. I'm gonna buy it from this area. Struggle, man, is struggling. When I'll leave you guys, then you'll see the move. How many days, just check all the videos, man. I'm sorry that, it is like that, it should not be like that. Look, this trade would have been when they were going down like that, they taken out this high, they came here, this kind of trade, they go through, if they have to go through, then they came back to trade this one, and problematic. They shouldn't have come here. If they were going like that, they closed it, created order block, created gaps. They don't need to even go to that gap, just to need to fall, continuously fall, and then they could have, that would be the price, they taken out this high already. That one was not even, when they came here, didn't take out these highs, was a problematic price action. Then they gone down midpoint. I remember I said I'm gonna come out midpoint. So then something happened here, and then from there they got support and they came up, and then they taken out these highs, all these highs they taken out. But problem was they traded here. If they traded that area, I would have trusted this one as well. But these kind of things we need to notice. This order block it traded, look, if you check it, look, this one. So they basically broke down at the time. Look at this. So then this order block, they respected it, and then they gone down. Then they traded the last gap, and then they gone down, and then they traded today's opening price low, and then now they came back. I mean, like, anything can happen, but the way they came up, I didn't like it. Okay, so look, now it makes sense. So now they traded this area. Lots of what is it, failure swing. So these are the target, maybe. Now it became proper. Close your eyes and buy, maybe. I don't know. Don't take your own decision, man. I'm not doing anything. But I didn't like it. Anything I didn't like it, I couldn't be bullish as well. Look at the time wasted there. I mean, so now they are on the top of 830. 30. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 830. 8 This one now is all failure swing. Okay, if you are bullish, just you have to have the courage to buy it. Yeah. Even this one, if you think about it, yeah, this you can say this low, but how they did it, like is it nice? Look, they came down, they came up, came down, they gone up, came down to the low, and then going up. I mean, like I told you, ugliness got some limit. They just today they crossed it. What, they now gonna invert this one? I'm saying, and then going down. I don't believe that. This is gonna be another ugliness. So this one, this gap, we have to believe. Either they will hold it or they will bust it. They already traded. Either they hold it or they invert it. This little gap, yeah. If they hold it, there will be a run. 1 minute left. Okay, there could be retracement as well. What I don't want to see. Ugly, ugly. Look at this price. What do you want to do, man? The next candle is started now. What? They're gonna go down now? They're inverting. Do you get me? So that's a problematic price. What do you want to do? So they came here. So now they've taken out all these things they created there. What a lovely price, yeah? What a lovely jubbly price, man. How far they can retrace, that's the question. Or they're gonna just go up from here. That would be another funny things to do, to trap people. Yeah. I'm gonna leave very soon anyways. It's 31. So 30, they 30 what they did. 30 candle, they just 31, they coming down a little bit. Maybe they'll give you a little bit of retrace and then from there they will go up. But they already inverted the area what they created. Look, this one, this gap. So they closed down under 830. Now will they get back 830? If they can get back, then absolutely rubbish price action. Look at this. This is just absolutely rubbish. Better you save yourself today, you know, from this kind of price. Later on, maybe there will be good price because there is Jackson Hole coming as well. I mean, they have to move, they have to go somewhere, but they don't know where to go. They need to rest somewhere. Now they just, gyrating from this. They know that people are buying, selling everywhere, People like me buying this side, selling that side, they want to use those people. Then people will forget about their initial where they were thinking about to go, everything they will forget. That's the area they will. Why they're retracing right now? You tell me. This is just a retracement for the maybe 10:30. They'll go back again, reclaim what they always do, and they can do what they like to do. So they reclaim that gap. So now the question is that will they hold it? Today I'm feeling sorry for myself even. I forget about you guys. What is it kind of? This is like the price just going high, low, low, high, low, high. If you sell, they'll destroy you. If you buy, they will destroy you. So the best things to do is run away. What lots of people cannot do. This should be our lesson. Just say that, why don't you finish your day and then just run? This is a great lesson, like to see that, how price can be like, like look at this. They're not going this side, slowly grinding up. I mean, should you be in part of this kind of trading? Absolutely not. So like, take your own decision, isn't it? So I don't think there's anything there. I'll show you what I achieved. So like, you'll see on my update of the video that how much I lost as well. From I had 650 initially, I made it in the morning with the nice 2 trade. Then now this ups and down, I'm losing some. So I don't know where I'm gonna end up with, but I'll let you know whatever it is. Okay, so I'll by saying these things, I'll end the stream. Hopefully today is get recorded so that you can see it. But this is a very, very problematic price action. Still holding. Okay, so I don't know where they're gonna go. We'll find way next week. Maybe we'll get some clear price action. I'll see you again. I'll talk to you again. Okay. So I'll let you go, and then you enjoy your time, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully. Okay. Bye bye.